Do you live in a fool's paradise, believing that artificial intelligence will replace only the entry level jobs? I got bad news for you. You are absolutely wrong. You want proof? Take the case of ChatGPT. It's being used by various companies to generate code. This will reduce the need for human programmers. Artificial intelligence powered testing tools can quickly identify bugs and glitches. This will minimize the manual testing needed by humans. It's not just the entry level positions that are at risk. Even the experienced engineers could find themselves being replaced. In short, AI poses a significant threat to the job market. So, what does the future hold for us? Will the humans be able to keep up? Or will we be left behind? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, you won't be able to survive in any profession just by doing bare minimum. The only way to survive is to upskill and reskill yourself continuously. Only those who adapt to the new reality will be the one who will thrive. The good news is that we can harness the power of artificial intelligence to upskill ourselves. I will cover that in the upcoming videos. That's all for now. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you want to stay up to date on the latest technology trends, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.